Let's get started at the front of the trailer. This is a 2023 composite plate van trailer. First thing you may notice at the top right corner is a decal that's used as a unique identifier made up of letters and numbers. This information, or the VIN information, or license plate information can be looked up online to pull registrations, current renewals, or annual inspection information on PremierTrailerLeasing.com's website. You'll notice here at the front of the trailer there's a VIN plate. Like a car, each trailer has a unique VIN. Also like a car, an annual inspection is required, and that's what this sticker right here is. This is what we call a registration bubble. This is going to be used to hold important documents such as the registration, current renewal, annual inspection information, or other important information that the driver may need during his trip, such as manifest information. If you don't see one of these at the front of your trailer, look on the side of the landing lights, because sometimes they're positioned there.